that a private company, has always delivered the water service in Barcelona. This is, I think, something usual, because usually you have administration, putting the investment and putting the networks on water, and then they do the privatization of the service. This has never happened in Barcelona. It has been always private. And what have we seen now? In 2010, in summer 2010, there was a full sentence that brought to light that there was not any kind of contract allowing a car to deliver the water service. What does it mean? That the administration has never given permission to a car saying, yes, you are the responsible to give the water service and sanitation to the population. This sentence is quite important and well, it's very spectacular to read. We see some sentences in it like that this fact has major material consequences if the performance of a car is illegitimate and the water tariff is illegal. That means that we are paying a tariff for the water which, according to the judge, is illegal. And here is what we say that when we go forward on the letter, what is illegal is not paying. Then, what happens with this situation? This, of course, gives our part in a quite weak position, but we all know that we live in a revolving doors world, and this happens in Barcelona. There is a constant flow between the private sector and the public sector. And just in the last November 2012, there has been created a new company which this company is responsible for the water service as well. But the administration, what it does is inviting us to join this company without any kind of public tender. By doing that, they try to regularize the service. But at the same time, there is also not any kind of audit of the facilities. There's no public tender. We don't know what happened with the facilities that have been already paid and that by law should be back to the public control, and this is not taken into account. And not only this, but in order to give a 15% public participation to this company, we are going to pay to a bank 190 million euros. Plus another 20 million euros per year as the amount of money that private companies pay. That means that by this movement, not only try to regularize the situation, but also we received 190 million for doing the same thing that was previously doing, and with an expected increase of the tariffs just because of the legal movement of 70 euros per family per year. After this movement, 7 legal proceedings have arisen, and this gives quite an idea of the awareness of the situation. Even the International Museum of the Water Sector is unable to understand what's going on in Barcelona. And other administrations also have started legal proceedings against this movement. Then we have this situation, and I am part of a platform. We are around 30. Okay. Then what we do with that, just two things. We have presented a report to the Anti-Corruption Prosecutor's Office, which has been accepted. And we are preparing the civil disobedience campaign in order to